Are you eager to learn English in easy steps? Look no further. We have laid out a simple roadmap to help you master the English language with ease. Learning a new language can be intimidating, but with the right approach, it can become an enjoyable and achievable task. So, let's get started on your journey to fluency. Step 1. Build a strong foundation as. With any endeavor, a strong foundation is crucial for success. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the basics of English grammar and vocabulary. Start with simple concepts like verb tenses, noun forms, and sentence structure. Remember, practice makes perfect. Regularly engage in exercises and quizzes to reinforce your understanding of these fundamental building blocks. Step 2. Immerse yourself in English surrounding yourself with English is an excellent way to expedite your learning process. Watch movies and TV shows in English, listen to English podcasts or radio stations, and read English books, newspapers, and websites. This exposure to the language will help train your ear for pronunciation, enhance your vocabulary, and improve your overall comprehension. Step 3. Practice speaking. Speaking is a crucial component of language learning. Find opportunities to practice speaking English as much as possible. Join conversation groups, language exchange programs, or enroll in an English course that emphasizes oral communication. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're an integral part of the learning process. The more you practice speaking, the more confident you'll become. Step 4. Expand your vocabulary building. A robust vocabulary is essential to effectively communicate in any language. Learn new words every day by reading and listening to a variety of content. Use flashcards or vocabulary apps to memorize and review words regularly. Additionally, make an effort to use these new words in your conversations or writing to reinforce their meaning and usage. Step 5. Dive into English culture learning. A language is not just about memorizing grammar rules and words. It's also about understanding the culture behind the language. Explore English-speaking cultures through literature, music, films, and traditions. By immersing yourself in the culture, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the language and its nuances. Step 6. Seek guidance and practice. Regularly finding a mentor or a teacher who can guide you through your learning journey can provide valuable insights and help you stay motivated. Practice regularly and set achievable goals to continually challenge yourself. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to language learning. Learning English may seem daunting at first, but by following these easy steps, you'll be on your way to proficiency in no time. So buckle up and embark on this exciting language learning adventure. Good luck.